How to upload a reel on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily upload a reel on your Facebook. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. So once you're inside here, just tap on your profile icon at the top left, and from over here all you have to do is just scroll down and click on this reel option over here right next to your live. So just tap on reel and select any of the random videos. So once you select any of the random videos from your gallery, you can also edit your reel by simply tapping on this reel option over here and adding a audio or text or filtering just like this. You can also edit its speed just like that, and finally click on next once you're satisfied, and you can just put in your hashtags or describe your reels by putting your captions just like this. So once you do that, you should be successfully sharing your reels. After you do all of this, you can also change your privacy settings to whom you want this reel to be seen from, like the people from public or your only friends or few friends like that. And you can also upload it on your Instagram as well if you have connected both of that. And you can also specify your location and also tag people or pages just like that, and just click on share now, and you should have successfully uploaded your post on your or reel on your Facebook just like that. So as you can see, it's being currently uploaded, and it should be uploaded pretty soon, as it depends on my internet connection. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.